In this video, we'll show you how you can re-roll your Pokemon TCG Pocket account. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and delete save data on your Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Now that will redirect you into this page. And here you'll need to sign up your new account. So in here you'll need to select your country or region along with your birth month and year for age confirmation. Now once you have set this up, you'll just go ahead and need to hit on that OK button to continue on creating an account on Pokemon TCG Pocket. And here you'll need to view this terms of use and privacy notice before you can check it and hit on that OK button. Make sure to allow notifications and keep up with the updates of the application. And here you'll need to go ahead and set all of this to agree and click on that OK button. Here you'll need to click on that create new data. You can sign in into your Google account or connect this into your Nintendo account. But as for me, I want to skip that part of the setup. And here you'll need to click on OK to download additional data into your application. So this data are actually data required to keep your app up to date. This process might take a while depending on the strength of your internet connection. To be able to get all of the good cards, you'll need to create a new account on Pokemon TCG Pocket, since all of the good stuff such as all of the high quality or rare cards are given to those new users of Pokemon TCG Pocket. Now that all of the additional data are installed on your device, as you can see in here, you'll get redirected into the tutorial section of Pokemon TCG. So you'll need to set up your player name along with your player icon in this area, so you can go ahead and enter any name that you prefer, and you can only change your name again after 30 days. Now this are done setting up, you can now open a booster pack. So you can simply select from this 3 booster pack available and click on the one that you've chosen. Now it's time to unpack the trading card set. So just go ahead and swipe right and open it. Once you swipe up or left, you'll be able to view all of the cards that you've got from that set. As you can see, I immediately got this card from that set. So basically all the good cards are given to those new users of Pokemon TCG Pocket to keep them entertained and keep them playing the platform on their device. So that's basically how you can re-roll your Pokemon TCG Pocket account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.